Hello. Recently, after replacing the screen in the Xiaomi Mi 8, the phone ceased to have network coverage. He constantly shows no service. The situation is strange, because earlier it worked without problems. Now I will turn the phone on and you will see something unusual. Look. The moment I pull the antenna out of the frame, the phone begins to catch range. The conclusion is obvious. The frame couples the range. After installing the original kit, the phone works properly. In summary, watch out for cheap substitutes. If you have a similar problem, you already know that the problem may be the screen frame. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and till the next time.